maybe you just got your first camera and it's something like this, and you're thinking, oh, my pictures aren't really looking that great. How can I get the blurry background? Well, I'm gonna show you right now how you can get the blurry background with the kit lens that comes with your camera. Okay, first things first, you need to start with what you have. So if you just got a camera and it comes with a kit lens and the kit lens is the only lens you have, that's fine. Start with that. There's no bokeh in the world that is gonna make your picture better if you have really bad lighting, or if you have really bad composition, or if the shot just really isn't interesting. Bokeh is not like a silver bullet to fix your picture. So now with that clear, I am gonna mention now that if you have some spare money and you really want that blurry background, invest in a lens like this. This is the Canon 50mm 1.8. There is equivalent lenses for all other cameras out there, Nikon, Sony. Okay, so what you want to do is get your lens and zoom in all the way to 55mm. If your lens goes a little bit further than that, that's even better. Second, what you want to do is you want to set the aperture to the lowest setting available. For this lens at 55mm, that is 5.6. Third, what you want to do is you want to get your subject and place it as far away from the background as possible so you can get more blurry background. And fourth, you want to get close to your subject. So I'm going to show you right now some pictures that I took of my wife, and notice how close I get to her. That way I can get more of that blurry background. Okay, so we are at 55mm f 5.6, and notice how close I am to my subject. Okay, now this right here is a great example that if you get really close to your subject, you can get even more blurry background. Right, so let me know in the comments if you tried the method, if it worked for you, and if you took some pictures, I would love to see them, so you can send them via Instagram. Make sure to hit the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe for more.